Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy Toncoin on TonKeeper app. First of all, you need to open your TonKeeper app. Then you need to click buy and sell button. And on the top of the page, you will see buy Ton and different payment options, guys, different payment providers. For example, Mercurio, MoonPay, Transec, and others, guys. So you need to choose your favorite option. For example, I suggest you to use Mercurio. You can buy Toncoin using the Mercurio. So it's telling us that we are opening an external app and it's not operated by TonKeeper. So let's open Mercurio. And guys, as you can see, this is the currency we're gonna pay. For example, let's try USD, and the minimum amount is, guys, wait, let's check me. So minimum amount is 16.6 USD. So this is the limit. So for example, you want to buy 100 USD worth Toncoin. So for 100 USD, you will get 12.35 Toncoins on your account. So you need to click buy button right here, and it will ask you to choose the payment method, for example, Google Pay or credit or debit card. So most likely you want to use your credit or debit card. Then click continue. You need to enter your email address, then click continue. The code is sent to your email, so you need to paste the code right here. Let's paste the code right here. Then you need to enter your name and last name, then click continue. And now, guys, you need to enter your credit card details and click pay, guys. So once you will pay, you can check your balance. Just refresh the home page, and here you will see your Toncoin balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.